Welcome to my channel further with geometrical problem for those who are geometry lover or math lover. Incredible geometry. Here we are given a square ABCD, the area of which is to be found, provided another square is attached with the bigger one, that is EFGD, the area of which is given to us 4 centimeters square. The point, the line EB is equal to 10 centimeters. These are the simple two readings are given to us, that the length of EB is equal to 10 centimeter, area of this square is equal to 4 centimeter square, the area of this bigger square is to be 5. What we can do? Let us suppose this as we are given that this side is considering A. A is the side of the bigger square. Now, if we join this, then let us suppose this point is H. This we have dropped the perpendicular from F point to on BC. Now in triangle, we have to consider triangle BHE. This is F point, this is E point. BHE, this is because the square, so that each side of this EFG will be naturally 2. This will be also 2, and this side, this will be also 2. This will be also 2. EF will be equal to 2. Okay? It means this will be equal to 2 plus A. It means we are having now this type of the triangle. This is the point E. This is B. This is H. Okay? This is the point F. Okay? This is equal to 2 because the area of this square is equal to 4 centimeter square. This is square, so that this side will be also 2, this side will be also 2. This is 2 and this is A. Correct? Because the side of the square. This already been given to us 10 centimeter. Correct? Now this is what? This is total A minus this, and this is equal to 2. So that this is 2. It means this portion BH will be A minus 2. This is A minus 2. Now simple equation is there and we can find the value of A. Applying the Pythagoras, because this is 90-degree angle, we can say that EB square, this will be equal to EH square plus BH square. It means 100 times square, okay, is equal to EH. EH is equal to what? This 2 plus A whole square plus A minus 2 whole square. Okay, this is A square plus B square plus 4 times A plus A square plus B square minus 4 times A, or we can say 2 times A square plus B square is equal to, sorry, A square plus 4, B square is nothing, this is 4. A square plus 4 plus 4 into A, or we can say 2 times A square plus 8 is equal to 100. Or we can say 2 times A square is equal to 92. Then A square, this will be equal to 46. This is the answer. Area of the square ABC. ABCD. 2A square plus 4 plus 4A. A square plus 4 minus 4A. This 4A get cancelled. 2A square plus 8 is equal to 100. 2A square is equal to 92, and hence A square is equal to 46. This is the area. This was the trick, simple. Very easy, very entertaining. Don't forget to like and subscribe me, okay? And keep watching my videos. Other than that, geometry, several topics, other topics are also there related to the maths. from beginning class 9 till 11th. Okay. Thank you. Good night. Good luck for you. Don't forget.